Thinking of trading with Plus500 in the US, but not sure if it's the right choice? Let's cut to the chase and find out. In this video, we're taking a close look at what Plus500 has to offer, exploring all the key aspects you need to consider. Is Plus500 safe to trade with? How competitive are their trading fees? Do they provide a diverse range of markets suitable to your trading style? We'll also take you on a tour of the broker's trading platform. Finally, we'll give you our honest insights on trading with Plus500 in the US. So stick around for the full scoop on Plus500. And hey, if you're eager to jump to a specific section, just use the chapters feature below. Let's dive in. Founded in 2008, Plus500 is a listed broker on the London Stock Exchange. The brand sponsors several major US and European sports teams, including the Chicago Bulls. Regulated globally, the broker recently expanded into the US market with its proprietary Plus500 Futures trading mobile app and web platform, giving US clients access to futures contracts on Forex, equity index, agriculture, metals, crypto, energy, and interest rates. Never heard of a futures contract? It's no problem. Futures contracts are simply agreements to buy or sell a certain quantity of a financial instrument at a future date. Unlike the decentralized Forex markets, these contracts are traded on regulated futures exchanges. The goal of trading futures contracts, like Forex pairs, is to profit from future price movements. However, keep in mind that a loss could also occur. It is also very important to know that futures trading is leveraged. Futures contracts cover a wide range of markets and provide true volume data because they trade on regulated exchanges. However, they have fixed expiry dates, and not all of them trade 24 hours a day, unlike Forex. Now, before we dive into the details, remember, if you're interested in checking out Plus500 for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. So, is Plus500 trustworthy? Let's take a closer look at the measures they take to protect your money. Plus500 operates in the US under the Cunningham Commodities LLC, which is fully licensed in the US by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, and is a member of the National Futures Association, or NFA. So what does this mean for you? First, the broker keeps your money in a segregated account. This ensures that your capital is protected and always available. The broker also offers strong transparency, as the Plus500 Group is a listed company on the London Stock Exchange. Finally, Plus500 has international entities licensed by 8 global regulators, including top-tier authorities such as the UK FCA, Australian ASIC, and MAS, Singapore, providing strong stability. Plus500 has put a lot of effort into ensuring their stability and financial strength with strong measures to protect client funds. However, one drawback is that there's no compensation scheme if the broker goes bankrupt. Due to all these factors, we've given Plus500 an above average score of 4.6 out of 5. Now, let's talk about Plus500's fees. How do they stack up against the industry? Let's find out. In our tests, we used the Plus500 Futures trading account during peak trading times in both the London and New York sessions. So, what do we find? Plus500 Futures offers competitive trading fees and low commissions in the futures industry. When trading futures contracts, there is a commission per contract. With Plus500, a standard contract commission is just 89 cents, while a micro contract commission is only 49 cents. Although the costs increase when exchange commissions are added, but there are no inactivity, market data, platform, or routing fees. Plus, there's no charge for holding a position overnight, as futures contracts have an expiry date. When trading futures, it's important to consider intraday and overnight margin. This is the amount of money that you need to buy, sell, and hold a futures contract, allowing you to leverage your trade. Margins vary from 2% to 15% depending on the market and contract type. For example, one full-sized Euro FX contract represents 125,000 euros. To purchase one contract intraday, you only need $300, but to hold it overnight, you need $2,640. Full margin requirements apply 15 minutes before the trading day ends. Plus500 Futures provides a detailed table of margin requirements for each market. All these reasons led to a solid score of 4.8 out of 5 for Plus500 in this category. Now let's check out the trading platforms offered by the Plus500 in the US. Finding the right platform can be a game changer for your trading. Plus500 offers its own custom web platform and mobile app, making futures trading very simple. The WebTrader platform is easy to access and offers watch lists, light and dark modes, all standard order types, and over 100 technical analysis indicators. The mobile app is powerful with an intuitive interface offering 12 chart types, 11 timeframes, 119 indicators, and 21 drawing tools. Both the web platform and the mobile app are great for beginner traders. However, there is no desktop version, and advanced traders might find the lack of customizations a drawback. Now, let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary platform and the mobile app. Now, first, we'll do a walkthrough of the Plus500 Futures WebTrader platform. This is an intuitive and beginner-friendly platform that also packs a great range of features. Let's take a look at the major components. Here we have a custom and thematic watch lists, charts, a vertical navigation menu, search, and account statistics. By clicking buy or sell within the watch list, you can pull up the order ticket. And from here, market, limit, and stop loss orders are all available. Now let's expand the charts to take a closer look. Charting within the WebTrader platform is feature-rich and offers over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools. Let's add an indicator. You can also track multiple markets at once using tiled layouts. I especially like the search feature here, which makes it easy to pull up futures on Forex, equity indices, agriculture metals, energy, interest rates, and even crypto. And finally, from the vertical navigation on the left here, you can easily track your open positions, view your pending orders, your history of trades, and manage your funds. And in keeping with the user-friendly design, you can easily toggle between light and dark mode, demo, live account, and contact live chat support. And here we have the Plus500 Futures mobile app. Right now, we're looking at the watch list panel. We've got all popular instruments here. If you tap on an instrument, you can view its chart. So for example, we're looking at the micro Bitcoin here. And if you tap on any instrument, you can view its chart. For example, here is micro Ether. If you click buy or sell, you can pull up the order ticket, and we can see that the full range of standard order types, market orders, limit orders, and stop loss orders are all available. Moving over to the positions panel, now this is where you can check the live P&L of your open positions, your pending orders, and your closed trades. And finally, we're going to move over to the tools panel where you can manage your watch lists and set price alerts to be notified when the price reaches a specific level. Our score for Plus500's platforms and tools is a respectable 4.3 out of 5. Finally, to make the most of the market's opportunities, you need a broker that offers a good selection of markets. Plus500 does a good job here with a decent range of futures markets to trade on using standard, mini, and micro contracts. This includes 13 Forex futures, 10 equity index futures, 23 commodity futures, 4 interest rate futures, and 2 crypto futures contracts. Clients can find instruments that suit their trading style, from highly volatile assets like natural gas to slow-moving instruments like the US T-bond. Overall, we rated the range of tradable instruments at Plus500 with an above average score of 4.4 out of 5 for this category. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on Plus500. But first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our broker analyst crew is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing Forex brokers for 12 years now. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex brokers, giving us a deep understanding of the industry to compare and evaluate them effectively. Now, the most important question, is Plus500 Futures the right broker for you? Let's recap on what the broker brings to the table. First off, the broker is well regulated and has been in business since 2008. The group is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and the US entity has all the proper licensing and authorizations from the CFTC and NFA, offering strong transparency, safety, and stability. The broker offers the most popular futures contracts across Forex, equity indices, commodities, interest rates, and cryptos. There's also a decent selection of standard, mini, and micro futures contracts. The web platform and mobile app make futures trading very simple with a user-friendly interface, multiple order types, and a good selection of indicators and drawing tools. Lastly, the trading commissions are competitive in relation to the industry. Now, on the downside, there are limited features and tools for advanced traders with a distinct lack of market research materials. The broker doesn't offer a compensation scheme in case of insolvency, and there is also no phone support available. So, who is Plus500 Futures best suited for? Plus500 mainly caters to beginner traders with a user-friendly web platform, mobile app, and demo trading account. However, the simplicity of trading a complex market like futures from a mobile app may help some advanced traders with trading on the move. Generally, if you are a US trader looking to test out the futures market, Plus500 might be a great fit. In our assessment, we awarded Plus500 with an overall score of 4.5 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about Plus500, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.